What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. They want to talk about where's my seat adjustment, because I was thinking about it back in the days. Manual seat adjustment was like the new norm. If you can't get a high trim level vehicle, you had manual seat adjustment. Even if you got a mid trim, you may got manual seat adjustment because it could have been optional, or it would have been like, yo, shoot, I ain't got power seat. They got power seats over there. Yeah, now today, power seats is coming standard with every vehicle that you are purchasing, even down to the base model vehicle. And yes, it's kind of rare. And I know me personally, when I'm doing a car review and I catch myself looking for the seat adjustment, I'm like, oh, it's a manual seat. Wow, I ain't seen one of these in a minute. I ain't gonna say in front. The launcher got a manual seat adjustment. Yes, I was like, yo, hold on, that's an 18. How do it have manual seat adjustment as the 18? Yeah. So I guess the person who optioned didn't get power seats. I don't know. But some vehicles, even up to the day, like a 2021 or a 2023, like a Honda Civic, they still have manual seat adjustment. Some automakers still doing manual seat adjustment because, you know, you got the sports model and they like, oh shoot, well, you know, weight reduction. We don't want to put power seats because that's adding on more weight of the vehicle. But, you know, some automakers like Ford or Chevy, they'll like put power seats in that Corvette, and you looking like, yeah, all right, cool, I got power seats in my Corvette. But yes, some automakers are still making manual seat today, like Ford, Chevy, Hyundai, Kia. Some of them still making them, and then some of them like Mercedes and BMW and all the other automakers, they're like, yo, ditch the manual seat, put power seats in that vehicle. Yeah, we doing the darn thing up in here. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Speed fam, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.